Action.
Hello guys, welcome to Forex Academy Uganda. Justin Zhao here, and today is a Saturday. We're gonna have a weekly trade recap for all the trades, the lessons, the classes, the actions we've done throughout the week. So we are going to start with Monday. On Monday, we had a class about market basics. We learned about lot sizes, pips. We learned about the micro of the markets, the macros and micros. We learned about so many stuff. So basically, every Monday, we always learn about the market, the basics, the tools we need, MT5, XNES, the brokers, everything we need to start as a beginner. So concerning the trading challenge, I'm going to start with the results the signals I've been sharing in the group, because with the trading challenge, I always share signals to you guys. You take them the way I share them, because each signal I always send a take profit, SL, and the entry in case it's a pending order. We always share the entries as well. So for this case, let's dive into the charts to see how many signals I shared on Monday, to see how many signals hit TP, how many signals hit SL, the losers and the winners. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how exactly you can join into this trading challenge so that you can also make money, so that you can benefit off my entries. First and foremost, I want you guys to know that before entering this challenge, you need to qualify for it. And for you to qualify, these are the things you need to have. You need to have an active XNES account with a deposit of at least $10. And this account has to be under my partnership. By under my partnership, I mean you need to be under my referrals. Like I need to refer you, and then once I confirm you're under my partnership, then you're going to be eligible for the challenge. You're going to have an entry into the trading challenge. These trading challenges always start every month, and for this month, coming month, July, the trading challenge will begin on 1st, and I'll be noting down all the traders who have joined the challenge, because I need to track you, I need to track your performance, I need to track your results. Of course, you guys need to be active in the group as well. You need to be active. You don't need to be, because at the end of the month, I'm gonna be removing the inactive ones. I'm gonna be removing the inactive ones. You get? At the end of the month, I'm going to be removing the inactive ones. So if you're to join the challenge, you need to keep active. There are so many roles in this group you need to follow. You need to follow certain rules. I'm going to read you the rules at the end of the video if I don't forget. Just keep on watching this video up to the end as we break down the trades we've taken throughout the week. So first, let's start with Monday. On Monday, I shared a setup. As you can see on your screens, I shared a setup on gold M15. Guys, if you didn't watch this video, go and watch it in case you're a beginner. It's about a Monday, what we cover every Monday basically. So you go, the link is here. You tap in it and you watch what we learn always on Monday. So firstly, I shared a gold sell setup, and then price didn't trigger us, and on Monday we didn't have any trade, so we closed Monday without any trade. Let's skip to Tuesday. Tuesday, I shared my analysis on gold. This was the H4, I guess. It was the H4. And then we slopped down to M15 to see what M15 structure is doing. I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy, but it was forming bearish momentum. So I also shared a signal on NASDAQ. So let's check here on TradingView. NASDAQ. The NASDAQ signal I gave out on Tuesday. This was the signal. You can look at the screens. This was the signal. So I did this live, and we are going to be live trading every day on YouTube here every day at 3:30 p.m. Don't forget to tune in on our live trades every Friday. And we added Nasdaq on top of our pairs, the pairs we're going to be trading. So executed this trade and it was a win. As you can see, Nasdaq M5 buying when it closes above. So I alert my people in the trading challenge. And now we confirm our buys and I give them the SL, the TP, and everything they need to manage their trade. So the trade goes in profits. I update them, and then I also update them on when to set BE. This is where I alerted them to set BE when price was about to hit our entry. So I tell them shift stops to BE. So that was 24th Tuesday. Let's skip to Wednesday. So still Wednesday, I had a sale on gold. On Wednesday we had a sale on gold. You can check gold to see which sale. Okay, I deleted it. So on Wednesday we had a sale on gold, and we actually had a sale on gold. It was a loss, and so that was our first loss on gold. The first loss on gold. Wednesday was 25th. So 25th, this was the gold sell. If you guys can see on the screen, if you guys can see very clearly, this was the very setup I sent to them. And here we have ISL and TP. Then here we have our trade triggered and it's deep into profit. Now we again have SL hit. So that was the trade we had on Tuesday. The first trade, SL hit, but remember on Monday, on Wednesday, that was the trade we had on Wednesday, but remember on Tuesday we had a win on Nasdaq. So we again wait and get a confirmation, another confirmation on gold. It was a sell. I gave out the SL and now price starts running in profits. We have profits of $700 floating. That was the second trade we had. And now the third trade came around New York. This was Nasdaq buy. Nasdaq buy. So Nasdaq buy, I gave it out as well. Buy Nasdaq now, SL, what. And then I also give them TP. And the trade starts going into profits. This is it running deep into profits. This is it going into profits. And now that was Wednesday, 25th. We also caught a gold sale, which was a win, you get? So we go to 26th June, which is Thursday. I set, but quick forward back on Wednesday, we also had Nasdaq, which is a winning trade. So those are 3 winning trades in a row on Nasdaq. So we go to Thursday again. That's the 4th one. We have a sell on Nasdaq. Sell limits triggered. I also gave out a signal on gold. It was a buy. We didn't trigger. Then Nasdaq triggered our sells. Then we started floating into profits. I always alert these guys. Now also gold SL hit. Gold SL hit. And now Nasdaq goes up to our take profit. So on Thursday we get Nasdaq take profit and then gold SL. Still Thursday late New York, we had gold buys, got triggered, and then we held throughout on Friday. So we held the buys up to Friday. Then Friday in the morning, we found gold when it had hit our what? Gold had hit our BE. Gold had hit our BE on Friday morning. Then Friday morning, I got a gold sell stop, which triggered. It's here. Gold sell stop. It got triggered, then price went into profits. We got profits of 1,300. That's MT5 entries. Now that's gold sells going into deep profits. As you can see, the chart, $3,000 into profits. Now again, we get Nasdaq. Sell. Yesterday it was Friday. Confirm the sales. SL at what? I updated with the team. And then we have the MT5 entries. I used lot 40. I'm trading an FTMO account. I'm going to be sharing the journey with you guys. Then gold is going up to our take profit. So guys, gold finally hit our take profit, and US 30 as well as Nasdaq as well hit our TP. I'm going to, so this is the weekly performance, as you can see right on your screen. Nasdaq as well hit our TP. I'm going to, so this is the weekly performance, as you can see right on your screen. So guys, in conclusion, if you want to join this challenge, just text any of our admins in the WhatsApp groups. You're going to automatically get added into the challenge once you're confirmed that you verified all the criteria needed to join the challenge. The next thing, if you want the process to ease up, just register using our Google Forms. The link is going to be shared across all groups and platforms on Telegram. I'm also going to add it on my bio on TikTok so that you can join very well. It's also under the description of this YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on all our videos. And don't forget that every day we have live free classes at 8 p.m. Peace out. Oh, don't forget to register for this new coming challenge for the new month, July. We are always aiming at making 10x of our accounts from $100 to $1,000 every month. It's a challenge between you and the market. My role is just to give you the things, the tools needed, the skill set needed for you to do that. Your role is just to prove yourself that you can do it, apply the discipline, apply the hard work, and everything is going to move as planned. Thank you.